Hello guys, welcome to my YouTube channel UI Ninjas. So in this video we will discuss about data type. Data type describes the different types or kinds of data that we are gonna be working with and storing in a variable. There are majorly two types of languages. First is statical typed language, second is dynamically typed language. So first is statical typed language, where each variable and expression type is already known at compile time. Once a variable is declared to be of certain data type, it can't hold values of other data type. For example, C++, Java uses a static data types like int for numbers and string for string values. In this example, first we declare the data type, that is int, and variable is a and value is 5. In this variable of a, type int and it will not store any other type because it store only number value. And next is string data type, and b is a variable and abc is a value of b variable. So here type string and will only accept string values. So next is dynamically typed language. These languages can receive different data type over time. In this type of language, we don't need to specify whether the value in the variable is an integer, string, or any other data type like float, double, etc. The JavaScript engine automatically understands the data type. We can reassign any variable with any other value having another data type as given below. For example, Python, JavaScript uses a dynamically data types. So let is a keyword and a is a variable and 5 is a value. It store an integer value. And next, using let keyword, you can store string value in the name variable. So JavaScript is dynamically typed, also called loosely typed string scripting language. That is, in JavaScript, variables can receive different data types over time. So data types are basically typed data that can be used and manipulated in a program. So the latest ECMA script standard defines 8 data types, out of which 7 data types are primitive, means predefined, and 1 complex or non-primitive. So first is primitive data type. The predefined data type provided by JavaScript language are known as primitive data type. Primitive data types are also known as inbuilt data types. So next, number. First is number primitive data type. JavaScript numbers are always stored in double precision 64-bit binary format IEEE 754. Unlike other programming languages, you don't need int, float, etc. to declare different numeric values. And next is string. JavaScript strings are similar to sentences. They are made up of list of characters, which is essentially just an array of characters like welcome to UI Ninjas, etc. And next is Boolean. Boolean represent a logically entity and can have two values, true or false. If you want to use true or false values, so we use the Boolean. And next is null. This type has only one value, that is null, means 0, means that does not exist any value. Undefined. A variable that has not been assigned a value is undefined. Next is symbol. Symbols return unique identifiers that can be used to add unique property keys to an object that will not collide with keys of any other code that might add to the object. Next is big int. Big int is a built-in object in JavaScript that provides a way to represent whole numbers larger than 253 to 1. Next is non-primitive data type. The data type that are derived from primitive data type of the JavaScript language are known as non-primitive data type. It is also known as derived data type or reference data types. So first is object. It is most important data type and forms the building blocks for modern JavaScript. So we will discuss in another videos. So first we take one example of static data types. So open the Sublime text editor and in static data type, like we use int and a is a variable, we store value is 12, and next we add string data type and variable is b and value is hello in double quotes. In some languages we are used like this data types, and you can check this type of values using data type in JavaScript, so it can't hold these values. A or B does not hold any value. See the result on the browser window. It can't show any value because it's a static data type. JavaScript uses a dynamically data types. So here we can change the keyword let, and here also we can change the keyword let. So we can check now. Here we can change this let, and next b variable also change let keyword, and next we see the result. It shows 12 and hello value because a stores 12 and b stores hello. Both are different data types, like 12 is an integer type and hello is a string type, but here we use the let keyword. Here we use the let keyword, but it represents the both values, string type or integer type. So thank you. If you like this video, so please like, share, comment and subscribe my YouTube channel UI Ninjas.